Hi buddies, this is Eileen, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the ringtone on your new iPhone 15. And to do so we are going to Settings, scroll down until Sounds and Haptics, click on it, and there we have the ringtone option. Right now it's Reflection. We can just press on it and these are our options. We also have the classic iPhone ringtones from back then. So we can just change it how we like it. I'm going for chirp. And then I can go back just as easily, and I also can decide how loud I want it to be. Confirm it just with going back. So now we can check it again. Ringtone chirp, just how we changed it. So this was it, quick and easy on how you can change the ringtone on your new iPhone 15. I hope you liked this video, then get us a thumbs up, follow this channel, and see you next time. Bye!